This video is to show you how I use Quizlet in my classroom. Again, it should be an automatic login with Google. And what I've created over here on the left are two folders for you, a genetics folder and an atomic structure folder. A good many of these I have gone through and removed anything that's not relevant, but some of them are just random ones. If you want more random ones, feel free to just search for the topic and have at. What I like to do is do the Quizlet live with the kids, and I put up the code on the screen, and then I give them X number of minutes, time, whatever, to get logged in. Then when I create game, I count down to 10 for them to find their teams, and they take care of the rest of it. I usually will do the same Quizlet twice, shuffling teams between, and then I'll move on to the next Quizlet. If you want to assign a Quizlet, what I have done in the past, I have said, after you have reviewed this, go make yourself a test of X number of questions and screenshot your results and submit it to Classroom. Or I have made a test and then uploaded it as a PDF and used it as Illuminate, the test or homework or something in Illuminate. That's it.